Speaking Academy. Today let's have a speaking practice using daily use English sentences. Sun is shining brightly. Sun is shining brightly. Cat chase playful mice. Cat chase playful mice. Red apples taste sweet. Red apples taste sweet. Bird sings in trees. Bird sings in trees. Mom bakes yummy cookies. Mom bakes yummy cookies. Moon glows at night. Moon glows at night. Bikes are fun rides. Bikes are fun rides. Elephants have big ears. Elephant have big ears. Flowers bloom in spring. Flowers bloom in spring. Teddy bear is soft. Teddy bear is soft. Dogs bark when excited. Dogs bark when excited. Stars twinkle in the sky. Stars twinkle in the sky. I like crunchy apples. I like crunchy apples. Fish swim in water. Fish swim in water. Car zone down road. Car zone down road. Hot shades from saw. Hot shades from saw. Snow falls in winter. Snow falls in winter. Green backpack for school. Green backpack for school. Butterflies have bright colors. Butterflies have bright colors. Jump high on trampoline. Jump high on trampoline. Read books at bedtime. Read books at bedtime. Train goes on tracks. Train goes on tracks. Brush teeth every morning. Brush teeth every morning. Rainbow has many colors. Rainbow has many colors. Play with friends outside. Play with friends outside. Giraffes have long necks. Giraffes have long necks. Rainbow appears after rain. Rainbow appears after rain. Clock tells us time. Clock tells us time. Wear socks on feet. Wear socks on feet. The book is heavy. The book is heavy.